Good evening, YouTube. Good evening. It's your man, Conscious Awakening here. I just wanted to show you some of this garden, man. I know I'm a little overdressed. I just came from an event, looking spiffy. So, yeah. But I just couldn't wait. I came out here and I had harvested some okra and some greens, and those both were just coming back tremendously. So, without further ado, what I'm going to do is get this right. Some of that. Yeah. Do that. Okay. Let's see what we got here. It's a beautiful moon, huh? Here's what we're looking at. Okay. So the greens. Let's see. Yeah, good old green. Like, so, see the greens? They're immaculate, right? You see that color? Unbelievable. Oh, I almost walked by these. So these right here, this is sweet basil. Sweet basil. Make an appearance, baby. There she go. That's us. My baby. Sweet basil. Sweet basil is delicious. I don't know if you ever made a sauce out of it. Like a tomato sauce with that is outstanding. Give me 1 second. See if I can get this, because this okra plant is so freaking big. Give me 1 second, guys. Let's see. Ridiculous, huh? So I said too, man. Lights, black. Yeah, it's a little low. That was just a little night showing off of the garden. I just came home, like I said, and walked in my garden. I was like, wow, what a blessing. So I hope this is encouraging y'all. And start y'all a garden, man. Man, put some seeds in dirt, red. Y'all know how much those greens can cost if you go into one of these stores. So I encourage you, grow your own, eat your own, for real. All right, man. Thank y'all. This presentation. All right. Brought to you by Conscious Awakening. Peace.